This video is going to show you how to build a drift trike frame. It's going to show you how to get the angles. First, you're going to start out with a BMX bike. You're going to cut off the front fork. The fork's going to be used on the drift trike. You don't need the rest of the bike. Right here is the fork. Next step is going to take off the fork from the bolts, so you just have the fork. Use a tube bender to get the main frame made. I'll show you later on in the video. Next, for the frame to go to the head tube, go to a website that's going to give you coping angles. This is going to show you how to cut the frame so it will fit the head tube at the degree that you need it to. From that website you can print out a template, wrap it around the pipe, and what I did was I used a plasma cutter to cut it out. Grounded it out so it would fit, and I've already got my angles. The website gave you everything that you need. To make sure it fits right, tack it, sit on the bike, see how it feels. Here I'm cutting off the excess from the tube that I don't need. Right here I'm going to be putting into the rear axle. It was a round tube going into a square peg, so what I had to do was grind all four corners so it slid in there, and right here I'm showing you where I'm going to be filling it up with the welding beads later on. Right here I'm finding the center of the bike from the back and the front, and I'm lining up that main frame with the axle so everything lines up correctly. Once I find where it was, I'm going to tack those four corners where I have contact in that tube, and then I'm going to fill in all the empty space. I used an angle finder to get the angles. The top and bottom are 0. When I put it on the side, I got 61, and when I put it on the head tube, I got 55. Here are the dimensions overall of the bike. When you're all done with everything, get a can of spray paint, clean it all up, make it look good. And if you liked the video and you thought it was helpful, subscribe to the channel, and I'll have more videos to come. Thanks.